let's see. What are you gonna drink today? Fuck's sake. Okay guys, so now that we are in Vegas Pro 15, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create that awesome ear rape effect. So if you guys are excited for this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button down below already. And I would say, let's get started. And before this video starts, I want to quickly give a shout out to Dustin, because he purchased a pro membership through the link in the description. So if you guys want to have a shout out in my next video, make sure to check out the description and get yourself a pro membership. I can see who signs up, and then I will give you a shout out in my next video. And I will leave his Twitch right now on screen because he said he doesn't have a YouTube channel, so this is his Twitch. Make sure to go drop him a follow if you want to support him. So let's continue with the video. So as you can see right now, I'm going to turn on my headset because there is audio. This is going to be a bottle flip I did. Oh! Oh! So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make sure to drag in a song that you guys all know because of the memes. This song. I am the one, the one, the one. So what we're going to do then is we're going to go to the drop right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make sure to time it. So what we're going to do then is, you can see, this is not really the ear rape effect, this is just a song, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut it right here, and then we're going to add in some distortion. So we're going to go ahead and click on effects on the part, we're going to add distortion, click on OK, click on add, and then what we're going to do is we're going to pick the preset called boost positive signal. I want to warn you guys for the audio, so just turn it down a little bit. So what we're going to do then, this is not really too ear rapey, so what we're going to do is we're going to add in another distortion. So we're going to go ahead and click on the F+, then we're going to pick distortion, click on add, click on OK, and we're going to pick the same setting, which is this one. So let's hear what it sounds like. So what we're going to do then is, you can see when the bottle lands, we're going to also make the screen shake. So in order to do that, it's going to be really simple. We're going to go ahead and cut the part. Then we're going to click on the event pan crop icon, and we're going to just go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. And then we're going to start making keyframes. So we're going to press right here, then we're going to turn it just a little bit. Then we're going to create another keyframe, just turn it a little bit like that. We're going to go ahead and create a new keyframe, just turn it a little so it's going to start shaking. So I'm going to do that for the entire clip. It's going to take a very long time, but I'll just add in some music so you guys know what it will look like. Okay, so it's a couple minutes later, and as you can see, I made a ton of keyframes. In order to speed up this process, we're going to go ahead and press left control, and we're going to click on each keyframe, as you can see right here, until it is filled in. So what we're going to do then is we're going to select them all so we can copy and paste this. This is going to save so much time. So we're going to just go ahead and click on each and individual keyframe like that, and then we're going to just simply go ahead and copy and paste it. There we go. So we're going to just press Ctrl C. Then we're going to click right here and press Ctrl V. And it's going to take for like a second. And then as you can see, the keyframes are basically pasted in right there.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, as you can see, the entire timeline is filled in. So this is the end result. As you can see, looking very, very tight. So that's how to do it, guys. This is how you create the ear rape effect in Vegas Pro 15. And like I've mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you want to get yourself a shout out in my next video, make sure to purchase yourself a pro membership. It is only like $4 a month or $49 a year if you want to see it that way. Make sure to check out the link in the description, and I'll catch you guys obviously in a brand new video tomorrow as always. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow.